Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. Today we're going to be making this delicious recipe of bean and lentil soup with greens. To start off, you're going to need to soak your beans and lentils overnight. After they're soaked, you're going to put them in a pot and boil them until they are tender. Along with your beans, you're going to need 2 cans of diced tomatoes, some olive oil, 2 carrots, 3 celery sticks, 4 cloves of garlic, and any type of green you want. I had some frozen curly dock, so I'm using that along with some fresh kale. You're going to start off by getting your pot really warm and about a half a cup of olive oil. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's going to make your soup very creamy. Get this nice and hot, and then you're going to add your carrots and onions and cook them until they are nice and tender. After they're tender, add your celery, your garlic, some ground cumin, and some curry powder, and cook those until everything is fragrant. Next, you're going to add your 2 cans of tomatoes. Just give those a stir. Once everything is incorporated and is cooked for a couple minutes, you're going to add your beans. Next, you'll add water or vegetable stock, and you're going to fill it up till it covers the soup over about an inch. I didn't add enough here, so I added some later. Next, you're going to add in your crushed red pepper to taste. I like mine a little spicy, so I add a lot. Also add your vegetable stock seasoning and some salt to taste. Give that a stir. Then you're going to add whatever greens you have. You can use kale, collard greens, spinach even if you wanted to, any wild greens, dandelion greens, curly dock greens. You can add whatever kind of greens you want here. give them a stir. Let this cook down for about 15 to 20 minutes until all of your greens are nice and tender, and then it is ready to serve. I always serve mine with a little bit of extra olive oil on top to give it some benefits health-wise and creaminess. Please like and subscribe to my channel and this video, and I'll see you next time.